was a very exciting night for Sundance Helicopters. The opening of our new terminal. This is a big milestone for Sundance in its long history with Las Vegas. Sundance, for those of you that don't know, has been in business flying people to the Grand Canyon for almost 30 years. This is a project that represents a new milestone. It's been a 9-month, $2.5 million project. For those of you that have been to Sundance before, you can really tell the transformation that has occurred from where we were operating. We've more than doubled the space of our terminal, which is a good thing, because we expect to carry about 250,000 passengers this season, this year, out to the Grand Canyon. And we've carried over 4 million passengers since we've been in business here. The idea for the remodel was to reflect the look and feel of the canyon and the experience that people are going to get. The 25-foot ceilings and the architecture, the walls, the curves are all designed to enhance that experience. And it's consistent with our new branding that some of you saw when we had our event in March. We have a VIP lounge over off to the left. Wi-Fi and charging stations over here for customers who want to go out. Conference room and training rooms up on the second level. There's even a patio up above for overseeing the airport operations. In addition to being excited about the new terminal, we're also very excited about our new helicopters, the EC-130 T2s. Sitting out on the ramp, and you're going to have an opportunity to go out there and look at it after introducing a few guests and a couple of remarks. This represents an $80 million investment in rejuvenating the fleet, and by 2018 we'll have 24 of these helicopters. The first 4 are already in operation. The unique thing about them is they have chrome paint scheme. They're the only chrome painted helicopters that we're aware of in the world. Actually silver in that process, so when they're painting, you go around and pick up the chips. Also has a modern glass cockpit. Looks like you're in the latest corporate or commercial jet, and you'll get a chance to take a look at that. Bose noise canceling headsets, leather seats. It's all to give the customers the best experience possible. I just wanted to recognize a few groups. The Wallapai Nation, and I don't know if there's anyone here. Laura? Hi, Laura. We've had a long relationship with them, 26 years this year. We just celebrated our Silver Jubilee with the Wallapai. Last year flying out to the Grand Canyon. They provide an opportunity for us to take people and land them down in the canyon. It's the only place that you can do that. Wonderful relationship, and we really appreciate it. Also want to recognize Aaron Todd, who's overseeing the proceedings. Todd is the CEO for Air Methods, our parent company, the largest aeromedical company in the world. And we now, along with our sister company, Blue Hawaiian, make up the largest helicopter tour company in the world. So that's quite a milestone. Also, I saw him here. Oh, Mike Slattery is with United Rotorcraft, which is also part of Air Methods. They're the ones that did the chrome paint scheme. So, a couple of folks or groups that were instrumental in completing this construction project, Steve Richardson and TRP Architects and his crew are here tonight. They're here. Pat Larson, who I saw, there's Pat, is our general contractor and his crew. These guys designed and built a wonderful facility. We couldn't be happier with it. And I also want to recognize and thank the Sundance employees. There's over 180 Sundance employees. 22% of them are former military. 8% are disabled veterans. And we're really proud of the whole group and providing a great experience for everyone. And we look forward to hiring more pilots, mechanics, and support personnel as we continue to grow. Just a couple of items. I want to recognize Congressman Joe Heck, who presented us with a congressional recognition certificate on the event of the grand opening of the new terminal. Very much appreciated. And a person that needs no introduction is former mayor and chair of the Las Vegas Host Committee, Oscar Goodman.